This is Manoj Kumar. My third presentation is continuing on the Red Eye River watershed. An overview of my third presentation is stream classification sheet, BEHI measurement of watershed, height, length, and depth, BEHI form, and the last is rock Greek is a single thread channel form. In this stream classification sheet, the information has been taken from the Red Eye Watershed Assessment Report, which helped me to get the information about the length of the river, height, and the depth, and which kind of the materials vegetation is involved in the Red Eye Watershed. If you see from starting, the bankful measurement is 45.7 feet and the depth is 0.5. Sinuosity stream length value, which is stream length is 15 and the value is from 0.0 to 0.039, and valley length is 10 feet. Channel slope is just 0.05. Again, if you go slowly down, you will find that the channel soil would contain mostly silt and clay, both sides, especially on the both right and the left. It contains the silt and clay. Also, there is a sand on the somewhere, and in the vegetation, mostly the area is covered is a 33%, which contain the trees and grass. And the slope of this river is just 0.0 on the left hand side, and the right hand side is 0.039. After doing all this measurement, it helped me to know which kind of uh, uh, depth and the sinuosity is there. If you see this rock click single thread, it helped me to know this channel is a multiple channels. Is a multiple channels river with very high depth, which is less than 40 ratio, and the low sinuosity is less than 1.2, and this river is a type D river, and that's why the slope is 0.0 to 0.039. And as I told, this river contains the sand and silt. Finally, on the BHI field form, uh, to complete this one, I got the following informations from the first slide. If you see, the height of the bank is just 2.8, and depth score is equal to 10, and the root depth is 30 to 40% ratio. The score is 5, and the root density is same, 30 to 54%, and surface protection is good because there is a sand and clay, which is 55 to 79, and the angle and the bank angle, which is not more than 1. That's why the score is only 1. If you calculate all the information and the numbers, it will be equal to 24, and that is a moderate river. As I mentioned here, the bank height is not greater than the 2 point. The overall situation of watershed look good because that watershed now contain all the basic geological important factor, and that is good for this river. Thank you very much.